Wasobia, 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 wake up. Oh, thou Nigeria, my country, my fatherland. Awake, 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 away from your slumber. Why are you sleeping and snoring when your children are suffering? Your territories are not safe. Terrorism, banditry, kidnapping, and corruption everywhere. Rise up to your greatness, you that is endowed with great skills, extraordinary talent, and greatly blessed. Why are you so weak? Where is your strength and faith? Where is your glory and pride? Where is your justice, peace, and unity? Therefore, awake, awake, awake. Awake unto righteousness and truth, because truth and righteousness exalt a nation, but sin disgrace a nation and people. O Lord, arise, show mercy on Nigeria, for the time to favor her, the set time is now.